What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. And this is going to be the last one before we take a ride on Sunday. Hopefully there's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Hello, Lighthouse. And that means we're at Islands of Adventure, another scorcher today. Somewhere in the low 90s. It's Friday. It's a little bit busier. And the height indication signs out front now have opening June 10th for VelociCoaster. They were doing some painting over here at the ticket windows the last time we were around. Those were open. And we can see right here both sides for turnstiles are open. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way after we take a look at the lighthouse. As we can see, there's some new scaffolding up there. It was in our last update, but it looks like they're just about done. Wait times. Let's check them out. Park is open until 8 p.m. We can see Dr. Doom at 10 minutes, Spider-Man at 20 minutes, Cat in the Hat at 10 minutes, Hogwarts Express 30 minutes, Aquaman Bluetooth was 20 minutes, Dudley Do Right's 55 minutes, Jurassic Park River Adventure is 70, Hulk is 60, and Hagrid's is 55. A little bit busier, yeah. And there's a Jurassic World VelociCoaster. Day 2 of team member previews is going on today. So we're going to see a lot of screaming and happy people. Awesome. It's Rexy. I know we show her a lot in the recent updates, but I love her. She's awesome. VelociCoaster sign, June 10th, but Sunday is the day we'll be on it. And just down this way is where team members check in to go ride.
I gotta see the shot after you take it.
Is that it? Yes. Stay standing for.
Yep, you already know what time it is. VelociFishies! Well, it's 8 p.m. and that means team member previews are done for the day. Awesome stuff, guys. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. It is so awesome to see team members on it, and I cannot wait for Sunday. I'll be riding between the hours of 11 and 12 at some point. And of course, we're going to have tons of coverage then. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.